Here we go. Set up 4 poles for Jessamine and Mystic. Cross in the middle. You can use your leg a bit. She knows leg pressure is good. One hand now. Nice. Cross in the middle. Now push your outside leg over. Now push your outside leg over. One hand. Good job. You're such a good girl, Mystic. Tell her whoa and back up. Perfect. Good job.